Welcome to Tryoup, innovative job management and dispatching software. Now, as we have created the company, departments and categories, profit strategies, we are ready to create users in our system. Let's go to the left side menu and choose Users. Click on Create User. Choose a role, as they are different. Admin, for example, can manage the whole account. Field worker is someone who does a job. Call agent works with leads, converts them to jobs, and assigns field workers. Accountant is responsible for all financial issues, and affiliate is a partner generating the leads. Then fill in all other fields. Pay attention that email would be used as a login to our system, while the username is just a nickname for internal usage. A password can be created or generated. Once it has been done, click on Create and return to the previous page. Yes, we see that the user has been created. We can activate or disable him here. Once we click on the user, we see his personal card, where we can upload a photo, change name or telephone. By the way, do you remember we have created profit strategy and departments before? Yes, we have made it to assign them to our users here. For example, John is cleaner. We choose profit strategy for him, junior cleaner, and department cleaning. Please note that there could be several departments for one user. Let's return to the previous page. Once you have a lot of users, but you need to find the specific one, please use our filters. So, now you know everything about Users section. Well done! The next videos will be devoted to leads and jobs. See you in Tryoup!